Hello, my 3D printer peeps, laser peeps, and maker peeps in general. I'm here to talk to you about a little known secret weapon, an ancient Chinese secret, shall we say. You see, many of you look up to experienced and talented makers as if they have some kind of special ability, as if their brain is just developed and wired a different way that makes them better than you at making things, painting, drawing, crafting, creating, printing, and understanding art and technology in general in a superior manner compared to your abilities. I'm here to tell you that's all a rubbish, hogwash, jargon, blarney, balderdash, guff, nonsense. Some would even say baloney. The fact is, all of these people you admire know this secret, this ancient Chinese secret. That secret is right here in this box. That secret is googly eyes. Female googly eyes. Male googly eyes. Big googly eyes, small googly eyes, medium googly eyes. You see, what they know and you don't is that applying googly eyes to your expensive machinery makes them instantly, exponentially better. Let me show you. This is an H2D. You'd think being a $2,000 printer is enough, but it's not. Let's take a closer look. It's not the technology, it's the googly eyes. You see, you might think the AMS2 Pro is what helps us make superior multicolor to those of you who don't own one, but it's not the AMS2 Pro. It's the googly eyes. Even when it comes to laser engraving, you may think it's superior talent and education, but it's not. It's googly eyes. Even the most complicated forms of 3D printing, such as resin printers, it's all smoke and mirrors. It's all googly eyes. However, there are certain things where googly eyes are not ideal. For example, this wash and cure machine doesn't appear to appreciate them very much. As you can see, the secret to superior maker success isn't skill or talent, it's googly eyes. Also, this ancient Chinese secret can't... Don't tell me it's not a Chinese secret. What does it say right there? Made in China. As I was saying, this secret weapon can also carry over into your personal life in the real world. Let me demonstrate. Kat?
Yes?
Oh, I have a line for you for today's video.
Okay. Say that?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get a mic on you real quick. Okay, I'll wake you up. All right, that should be good. Just park. All right, say the line.
Googly eyes make everything better.